chose to be a welder because I love working with my hands. I used to be a woodworker, and I used to make a lot of furniture, and then I wanted to get into the metal side of it, and then I found out I loved it way more than I liked woodworking, so it just kind of stuck, and so far I love it.
Great. Well, I chose welding because I wanted a trade. You know, again, like I said before, I take pride in my work. I like creating things. I like building things. Yeah. And to build something to help somebody else or even, you know, make a situation easier is pretty rewarding for me. And I haven't figured out a way to automate it fully yet. So there's some job stability. Okay.
I like challenges and I like working with my hands. So being able to build stuff and seeing the end result of what it is when it all comes together makes me feel good afterwards.
We're a tight family here, and we actually like look out for each other. We do a very small portion of supporting the military, but it's a big help to the military, and that gives me a lot of pride that I'm helping them do their job and protect the country.
I like the diversity, the different techniques needed, processes, either via TIG or MIG, but I like the diversity, yeah.
I love the atmosphere, and I love the people. All of us seem to get along so well, and we just have fun with each other, and everybody tries to help each other out, and even the different departments and everything. We just really strive to kind of work as a team to get it done the best we can. So.